In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in the Airbnb app. Whether you're planning a trip abroad or simply prefer seeing prices in a different currency, updating this setting can make your Airbnb experience smoother and tailored to your needs. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening up the Airbnb app on your smartphone. This is your gateway to booking wonderful stays around the world. And ensuring it's set up to match your preferences is crucial to having a seamless experience. Once the app is open, shift your focus to your profile. You'll typically find your profile icon in the bottom navigation bar, often represented by a small silhouette or your profile picture if you've uploaded one. Give that a tap to access your personal settings. Inside your profile, you'll find a variety of options. What you're searching for here is the account settings section. This is typically where Airbnb houses all the configurations and options you'll need to customize your account. So go ahead and tap on account settings to proceed. Within account settings, scroll until you spot the payments section. This is where you manage your financial details, including the currency you prefer to use for transactions and viewing prices. Tap on your payments to open it. Once inside payments, you'll see an array of options designed to make managing your booking expenses convenient and efficient. Look for the option labeled currency. It might be a current currency symbol or simply say currency, but it's the key to altering how prices appear across the platform. By selecting the currency option, you'll open up a list of different currencies Airbnb supports. Scroll through them to find the one that suits you best. Whether you're traveling to a new country or prefer the familiarity of your home currency, choose the option that best aligns with your goals and preferences. And there you have it. With your new currency selected, the app will now display all prices in your chosen currency, making it easier for you to plan and budget your upcoming adventures. As a quick tip, if you ever want to change back or pick another currency, simply follow this same path within the app. It's a flexible setting, so feel free to adapt it as your travel plans evolve. I hope this guide has been helpful and you found it easy to follow along. Changing the currency not only helps with clarity, but also enhances your planning experience by displaying prices in a familiar context. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Safe travels and happy Airbnb hunting!